Hi, what's up everybody? This is Tasha with Prep For It, and I received a package about a week ago from Shlisa Shell, and unfortunately it's been a little bit of a crazy week, so I haven't felt well, and then I had my granddaughter, and so I'm finally getting around to opening it. I went ahead and cut it open, and covered the addresses, but I haven't looked inside. So, anyway, she said that she included a bottle of her signature cologne, so I'm anxious to see, or a little sampler of it, so I'm anxious to see what it smells like. If it smells anything like this candle, it's going to be amazing. So I did order a candle from her, and so I know that's going to be in here. All right. Sorry, y'all, I'm doing this one-handed. All right. Let me see if I can just roll it out. All right. Oh my goodness. Lots of goodies in there. Oh, and a little note. Let's see what else. We've got her, another one of her awesome stickers. I just love these. They're so awesome. And that's her YouTube channel, Shlisa Shell. So you'll have to go check her out. All right, first candle. I've already burned mine, almost completely gone. That was this size. And then she sent a larger size that I bought from her, along with this one. Anxious to see a nice size one. Well, this is hard to do one-handed. My stand that holds my phone is broken, so, oh yeah. Patchouli Amber. It's got like the little wooden candle wick in there. Oh, that's gonna be awesome. I cannot wait to get these going in the house. It's late tonight, so I probably won't do it till tomorrow. That way I don't fall asleep with it going. All right, get this out of the way. And here's her signature scent. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna try to get this with one hand. I'm not very talented here. Let me see. Here we go. Well, let me put it like that. Bring it up against the candle. That's the way to do it. All right. See her lovely emblem there. And it's her Fatwood Queen type fragrance. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my gosh. Oh, Shlisa. Oh, you did good, girl. Oh, that smells amazing. I mean, I feel like it could go for a man or a woman, really, because it's kind of got a little bit of a musky quality to it. Oh my gosh, girl, here, my finger's in the way there. That smells so, so good. Oh my. I think you nailed it, Shlisa. That is amazing. And look, she sent me a big sample too. Of course, she said to shake it because this is homemade batch. It isn't like the store-bought that has a lot of stuff in it that keeps it dispersed, you know. So it can kind of separate in the bottle. But all you got to do is just shake it. That smells amazing. It's got a very earthy, woodsy pine scent to it. But it's not like overpowering. It's just everything has just got these subtle notes that just build upon one another. Girl, you did amazing. You did amazing. Y'all, she nailed it. Love, love, love that scent. That's some good stuff, Shlisa. Well, thank you so much, Shlisa. I appreciate it. And y'all, you need to go check out Shlisa's channel, because I think you'll find that she's just a very unique, amazing lady. So go check her out. Take care, and God bless. Bye.